España perdió, pero nosotros ganamos.
And if you see, include a bottle Rioja, some tinto de verano, and some fruits and ice.
It's day 3 in Málaga, and wow, it's like over 37 degrees here, meaning it's over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if you can tell, it's smoking hot. But I wanted to show you before we head to the beach here, Playa Malagueta, which is the urban beach here, the Alcazaba and the Roman ruins. Just look at it, this is free to see, at least from this point. And up there is the Alcazaba, which is the Moorish style castle. And way at the top of this mountain is the Castillo de Gibraltar. And 1 year ago, some of my first travel vlogs were here in Malaga. You can see that video. I'll put the link above and in the description, and you can compare the videos that I made 1 year ago to now as a YouTuber. And you can see the Castillo. It's a hike up there, it's pretty far. It's a lot of effort. It's, you know, hard to do on a hot day like this, but I did it last summer. I was in good shape. And you can see that video, what it looks like from up there. One of my first videos when I was a YouTuber, a basic editor. And it's just cool to see, you know, 1 year later, come back, deja vu, walk in the same steps, see where you came from, remember where you came from. So now, Carrie and I were going to head to Playa Malagueta to cool down, get some sun, take a siesta in la playa. So we'll see you guys at the beach. All you palm tree lovers, check it out. Wow, gotta love those palm trees. And we're gonna enter this little park, parquecito, get some shade. Uf, se siente fresquito, amor, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Oh, man, that sun, that Andalusian sun is smoking hot. This is Parque de Málaga. Amor, mira tu traje de baño, estilo tropical igualito. Wow, I love this park. I've been here like 2 or 3 times. It's so beautiful. Let's go this way. Oh, whew. Dust Bowl. Wow. So the Port of Malaga is that way. But imagine living here and like this is your morning walk every day. You just come here jogging, walking. This is your fresh air. Man, I would love living here. I mentioned the Alcazaba earlier, right? And the Castillo de Gibraltar is at the top of that mountain. Now in the camera, it doesn't look so high, but it's really high. Relatively speaking, you can see the whole city from up there. And it is hot, and it's hard to do that hike. But you have to see that if you come here, if you like history, if you like fortifications, fortresses, you gotta see the Castillo de Gibraltar up there. And adjacent is the Port of Malaga and Playa Malagueta, where we're going to relax at the beach. All right, you guys. Back at Playa Malagueta. Hola. Back at Playa Malagueta for the second time in 2 years. It feels so good. Oh, we're back at the beach, you guys. Playa Malagueta. Woo! So we're gonna have a few alhambras. This is what you gotta do when it's hot out, hot summer day in July. And I got another special drink for you that I'll drink in a second or two. But man, it feels good to be at the beach. ¿Te gusta estar en la playa? ¿Te sientes en casa? Sí. She feels at home. Even though it's not the Caribbean, she feels at home. Woo, hot summer day at the beach. Wow, the waves are kind of big here. I don't know if you understand, but in Spain, sometimes it's common for, well, people to not be fully clothed, let's say. Okay, when it's really hot in Spain in summer, There's this stuff called gazpacho, and if you've seen my videos, you know I'm a fan, so here. Let me have some gazpacho. Gazpacho in summer, nothing better. It hydrates you. Woo. Wow, this stuff is good. Better than the stuff that you get at the supermarket, like from Mercadona. Gazpacho in Málaga. Oh guys, she's like, come here, come here. Woo! Vamos a nadar a Venezuela, amor. Agárrame, agárrame. Vamos a... Vamos a Venezuela. Vamos al Caribe, amor. Vamos. Vamos. ¿Cómo se siente?
Se siente bien.
Nos falta 2 meses, pero podemos nadar.
Somos el náufrago.
Because we're a ship. It's so hot that the water feels so good. Let's go in. Come on, vamos. Oh. You guys, so hot, but the water is so refreshing. Wow, Mediterranean Sea. All right, come on. How was it? Good? ¿La pasaste bien?
Yeah.
Woo. Gotta get my white body bronceado. This is what happens when she doesn't put sun cream on my back correctly.
Ok, y esto es un cuerpo caribeño, morenito, acá, rojito. ¿Quién es mi camaroncito?
Una gamba, una gamba.
Mi gambita. I love you.
El guiri, loco, guiri español, venezolano, gringo, latino. In Malaga, you can ride the horse and buggy. Check it out, the horsey's ready to go. Hello, horsey, there's a few of them here. I mean, I imagine that horses are very hot, but you see those a lot in Sevilla as well. And you know, if you want to do that, go for it. All right, entering back into the historic center of Malaga, because later we are going to cook paella and watch Spain versus Italy in the Copa Europa football tournament. And wow, tonight's gonna be a crazy scene, you guys, especially if Spain wins. And I'm gonna show you the whole thing. So stay tuned that we're gonna make paella next. Hola.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
What is your YouTube name?
Adventure Elliot.
Okay. Adventure. We're going to Lucido.
You guys wanna be in the video?
Yes.
Okay. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
All right, so where are you guys from?
From Netherlands.
Netherlands? Are you enjoying Spain? How's everything?
So beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice to finally...
The weather is way better than in the Netherlands.
Right, right. It's better and
Raining all day.
it's raining. You guys can enjoy the beach and enjoy the Spanish social scene, the tapas.
After Sunday, but
Yeah. You guys are like me, like we're white, we get burnt so easily. Crikey. Well, yeah, you guys, people from the Netherlands speak great English, so you guys have a great English. I hope you enjoy Malaga. And
you too.
all right, we'll see you later. Bye bye. All right, Adventure Elliot, okay? I won't publish this video probably for a few weeks though, but it'll be of the Malaga adventures. Bye bye. Let's go. We're back at the Airbnb. We had a long day at the beach. It's very hot, we're tired, and fortunately, I have Spanish Mamma Mia here. We're gonna prepare some food tonight, some paella, and she already made some sangria. So can you just basically talk a little bit about what we're doing tonight? We have the football match on later, so what's going on tonight, Mia?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, this is a big night for Spain because our, they said it, Marea Roja, that's the team of Spain. We're going to the semifinals with Italy. So every Spaniard is really excited. I have a Spanish blood because my grandmother was born and raised in Madrid, and I used to come, like I said, as a little kid over here in Madrid and stay for the summer. So we're gonna do a sangria. We already did it, and if you see, include a bottle Rioja, some tinto de verano, and some fruits and ice. And then the next thing we're gonna do is a paella, and we already did some tapas that you guys, if you want to show it.
All right.
And then we show it.
So in addition to the sangria, we're also doing a paella. So briefly explain what we're doing with the paella tonight.
Well, the paella, I want to make it clear that this is not like the different versions of the paella. This is the paella of my family, the way that my grandmother taught me to do the paella in Madrid. So I don't want to offend anybody that already have a recipe.
Okay. So we're just having a simple homemade paella recipe while watching the Spanish football match tonight. Awesome.
That's correct.
Mírala. Spanish Mamma Mia hizo todo. Increíble.
That's lovely. And that's basil leaf there? Basil?
Yeah, 3 basil leaves.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
You have big bold wines, Cabernet too. You want some oxygen to get in the wine because it will change completely the flavor of the wine.
The paella is ready, but we cannot eat it yet. Why? Because we're waiting to finish Spain versus Italy soccer match, and we're going to penalty kicks. Nerves are high, tensions are rising, but fortunately, we got a lot of wine, and we got Spanish Mamma Mia. Well, we're ready.
Viva España!
And
Viva
travel at a
España!
guy, travel at a guy. Vamos.
¡Viva España!
And look at Steve's got the Spain jersey. Wow. What a patriot. What a patriot.
España, baby!
El goli, 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 goli. Ostras. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Go, 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 go. España. España. Woo.
España!
Madre mía. Vamos, vamos, vamos. 1-1. Yo no puedo respirar, ostras.
Back to the start.
2-2. 2-2. Empezamos de nuevo.
Game's
Hey guys, it's 3-2.
Toda la presión.
We have to
en
have this
España.
one to stay in Spain.
Estoy muy nervioso.
Oh no, guys.
He's gonna put it in.
Can they do it? Can they do it?
That's
3-2,
it. He's gonna do
3-2.
it. He's gonna do it.
Tenemos que pararlo.
Por favor.
Por
Por
favor.
favor.
Pido Dios.
Oh, that was a slider.
It's done.
España perdió, pero bueno, aún tenemos paella. Tenemos paella. Tenemos paella, estamos en Málaga, estamos bendecidos. Pero bueno, hay esperanza en la vida. Mira la gente, estamos en Málaga y toda la gente está muy tristes. Con la excepción de los italianos, pero bueno. Tenemos paella. Tenemos paella, pero bueno, me pongo muy triste, tíos. Muy triste. Bueno, well, we have the paella. This is the consolation prize. Gracias a Mamma Mia. Well, bueno, tenemos paella. Aunque me puse muy triste y muy deprimido, por lo menos Travel ADK y yo estamos muy felices porque tenemos paella. España perdió, pero nosotros ganamos. Pues nada, desafortunadamente perdimos, pero bueno, aquí en casa ganamos porque tenemos la paella de Mamma Mia. Así que bueno, terminamos el video aquí, pero ojalá que les haya gustado. Y ahora vamos a comer bien a tope.
Pero mira este paella. Este paella es hecho
Lo máximo.
con mucho amor,
Mucho amor.
con mucho cariño y con mucha experiencia, ¿sabe?
Claro que sí.
Y esa es una obra de arte. Esa es una obra de arte, seguro. ¿Me entiendes?
Hasta luego.